So this one time in China, I was an entire summer camp. I taught English like for a week at this school, and they said, "Oh, next week we're having a summer camp. Can you help?" Sure, I'll help. Uh, so on the day of the summer camp, they said, "Oh, yeah, go to this address." Okay, just take the subway. Oh, no problem. I was in Beijing, got in the subway. It went to the end of the subway, and then it sort of kept going. It was 2 hours by subway, and then I got out, and there was no real taxis. You had to just go by Heichua black cabs. They're called, just somebody's car. I got in, and he was just driving for another hour. This is so far. I was like, this guy just trying to kidnap me. It's just something wrong. But no, we got there. It was a hotel, just way out there, way out there. So I arrived, and then the bus arrived with like 20 kids, and they dropped the kids off. And then I said, okay, do you have a schedule? You got anything? And then the adults all left, and they left me with 20 kids for a week, and that was it. That was their camp. So I was like, whoa, what's going on? And there was nothing at this, it wasn't a camp, it was just a hotel. So I thought it up quick. We walked around, we saw someone fishing, so I went over there, hey buddy, and those people were nice. I mean, the guy taught us how to fish. All the kids learned how to fish. And then at night, I would say, movie time. Luckily, I brought like a VCR or something. This was long ago, with like just whatever my movies were. We would have treasure hunts. There were no. I bought a ball, so we played sports. And then I went to the Shamaibu little store. I bought chalk, and we had this epic chalk drawing contest. Then we had maze creation contest just for days, and I gave them challenges just off the top of my head. All right, you have to have today's mirror challenges. Everyone has to make a mirror performance with their partner, or we have to do a speech. But if one kid was bad, they would have, he could have ran off. He could have died. I had these 20 kids' lives I had to take care of. It was so bizarre, because usually you go and everything's over organized, right? Over organized. But here they just said, do it. It was so crazy. And I was like, oh, this is not going to be good. But the kids said it was the best time they ever had in their lives all week at that